LatticeFlow introduces framework for AI compliance with EU Act.
The EU has advanced its regulation of AI with a risk-based framework that officially took effect in August 2024. LatticeFlow, a spin-off from ETH Zurich, released the first technical interpretation of the EU AI Act along with an open-source validation framework named Compil AI. This framework allows AI developers to assess their models against compliance requirements, featuring evaluations of mainstream LLMs like Meta's Llama and OpenAI's GPT. Notable findings indicate that many LLMs perform well in avoiding harmful instructions and prejudiced responses, but struggle with reasoning, fairness, and model robustness. LatticeFlow aims to refine this framework continually as regulatory requirements evolve, inviting collaboration from researchers and developers to enhance compliance assessment.
Revolutionizing HDR image editing with machine learning.
Google has developed a machine learning model that improves HDR image editing in Google Photos by keeping images in HDR format, even after complex edits. The new Ultra HDR image format allows HDR images to be saved alongside a standard dynamic range image, ensuring compatibility with various displays while maintaining image quality. A unique gain map, encoded with each Ultra HDR image, specifies how to adjust brightness for HDR, addressing challenges during editing processes like cropping and inpainting. This model has been trained on thousands of HDR images and is designed to seamlessly reconstruct gain maps, facilitating HDR editing without the need for custom workflows.
Microsoft introduces differential transformer for enhanced attention in LLMs.
Microsoft Research and Tsinghua University have developed the differential transformer, a new architecture designed to improve the performance of large language models by enhancing attention to relevant context while filtering out noise. This model uses a differential attention mechanism that partitions the query and key vectors into two groups and computes their differences to produce attention scores, effectively canceling out common noise. Experimental results indicate that Diff Transformer consistently exceeds the performance of classic transformer models across various tasks, achieving significant improvements in information retrieval and hallucination mitigation. The research team plans to scale Diff Transformer for larger models and extend its applications beyond text to other modalities like images and audio, believing it will lead to better understanding of context and fewer inaccuracies.
Meta's new AI approach enhances thoughtful responses.
Meta has introduced Thought Preference Optimization, TPO, a technique that encourages AI models to deliberate before responding to queries. Unlike traditional methods that require visible reasoning steps, TPO allows models to internalize thought processes independently, resulting in more nuanced and human-like answers. This innovation not only enhances AI's problem-solving creativity, but could also pave the way for competitive open-source alternatives to proprietary models like OpenAI's latest offerings.
Amazon joins AI peers in nuclear energy initiative.
Amazon is now investing in nuclear energy as part of its strategy to power AI operations sustainably and meet energy demands. The company has signed agreements for the development of small modular reactors, SMRs, which can be deployed faster than traditional nuclear reactors. This shift comes amid increasing energy consumption from AI technologies, prompting major tech firms to enhance their sustainability efforts through nuclear power.
TSMC reports significant growth driven by AI demand.
TSMC's third quarter profit rose 54%, reaching a record $325.3 billion, fueled by increasing demand for AI chips across various industries. The company anticipates that revenue from AI processors will constitute a mid-teens percentage of its overall revenue this year, reflecting ongoing strong demand in the sector. TSMC's capital expenditure is expected to exceed $30 billion, with plans to boost production capabilities as it responds to the AI boom.
Tech giants invest in nuclear energy for AI demand.
Amazon and Google are investing in small nuclear reactors to provide carbon-free energy for their growing data center needs, driven by artificial intelligence. The demand for power from data centers is increasing significantly, with projections suggesting their electricity consumption could exceed 1,000 terawatt-hours by 2026. Both companies are collaborating with reactor developers to ensure that new nuclear capacity aligns with their commitments to renewable energy and emissions reduction.
Anthropic CEO highlights AI's potential to transform society.
Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, envisions AI as a solution to societal issues like depression and poverty, believing it can drastically speed up innovation timelines. He argues that through AI, we could see a significant improvement in human rights and overall quality of life, though achieving this requires extensive effort from all stakeholders. While he acknowledges AI's risks, Amodei emphasizes its potential benefits and believes the technology could bring profound positive change if managed correctly.
Anthropic's new policy addresses AI's cyber attack risks.
Anthropic has revised its safety guidelines in response to the potential for AI to be used in sophisticated cyber attacks by malicious actors. Their updated policy introduces AI safety level standards to monitor risks and includes a capability assessment that uncovered alarming potential for automating destructive cyber operations. The company plans to work with cyber operations experts to develop safeguards and establish tiered access for models that show advanced cyber capabilities.
ChatGPT surpasses 3 billion monthly views as AI usage grows.
In September 2024, ChatGPT recorded over 3.1 billion visits, surpassing Microsoft's Bing for the first time, with significant growth in both web and mobile usage. This achievement positions ChatGPT as the 11th most visited website globally, driven by OpenAI's expansion of its free services and a strong increase in mobile app users. Moving forward, OpenAI aims to enhance ChatGPT's capabilities as a search engine with ongoing user testing for a prototype called SearchGPT.
Tech giants embrace nuclear energy for AI demands.
Amazon, Google, and Microsoft are investing heavily in nuclear energy to meet the rising electricity needs of their data centers, driven by artificial intelligence growth. Microsoft is focusing on reviving the 3 Mile Island plant, while Google and Amazon are backing small modular reactors that may be cheaper and easier to construct. This shift toward nuclear comes as tech companies seek reliable, emissions-free energy sources to ensure sustainability amid their expanding energy demands.
Tech giants seek nuclear power for data centers amid rising AI demand.
Amazon and Google are investing in small nuclear reactors to secure carbon-free energy for their data centers, driven by increasing electricity needs from artificial intelligence. The International Energy Agency predicts that data centers could consume over 1,000 terawatt-hours annually by 2026, more than double from 2022. Both companies aim to integrate small modular reactors, with Google planning to bring online its first reactor by 2030, and Amazon exploring partnerships for multiple reactors in Virginia and Washington.
AI funding expected to reach $79 billion in 2024.
Funding for artificial intelligence and cloud companies in the US, Europe, and Israel is projected to grow to $79.2 billion by the end of 2024, marking a 27% increase from 2023. Generative AI accounts for approximately 40% of this investment, with U.S. companies receiving 80% of the total funding for generative AI between 2023 and 2024. Prominent funding rounds include $6.6 billion raised by OpenAI, $6 billion from xAI, and $4 billion for Anthropic, indicating strong investment interest in AI.
Anthropic CEO envisions AI-driven utopia with massive funding goals.
Dario Amodei, CEO of Anthropic, outlines in a lengthy blog post the transformative potential of artificial general intelligence, AGI, claiming it could revolutionize healthcare, eliminate poverty, and even enable mind uploading to the cloud. He emphasizes that achieving AGI will require significant resources, estimating costs in the hundreds of billions for compute power and infrastructure, while admitting the unpredictability of such advancements. Amode's call for investment reflects a broader trend in the AI industry, where leaders, despite cautioning against hype, must make grand promises to compete for funding and support.
Meta announces layoffs across departments, including WhatsApp and Instagram.
Meta is reducing its workforce in specific teams, including WhatsApp, Instagram, and Reality Labs, as part of a strategic reorganization rather than a widespread layoff. These changes follow previous layoffs as the company aims to align resources with long-term goals, demonstrating the ongoing impact of CEO Mark Zuckerberg's focus on efficiency.
Lightmatter secures $400 million for AI data center innovations.
Lightmatter has raised $400 million to enhance data center efficiency by leveraging photonic computing, allowing numerous GPUs to operate in unison for AI model training and execution. The company's optical interconnect technology significantly reduces latency and increases bandwidth, positioning it as a pivotal player in the growing demand for AI compute power among major tech giants.
Mistral AI unveils new Mistral 3B and 8B language models.
Mistral AI has launched two advanced language models, Mistral 3B and 8B, optimized for edge devices and capable of handling up to 128,000 tokens. These models excel in applications requiring local processing and privacy, such as on-device translation and analytics, and outperform competitors in various benchmarks.
SAP integrates AI to enhance business processes.
SAP is incorporating AI into its enterprise solutions, particularly with its generative AI copilot Joule, which streamlines workflows and enhances user interactions across various business applications. The company is also developing new AI functionalities to assist customers in migrating to the cloud more efficiently, promoting automation and expert guidance throughout the transition process.
Recent claims on quantum computing and encryption overstated.
Chinese researchers have made notable advancements in quantum annealing, but these do not equate to breaking military-grade encryption, contrary to some media reports. Current RSA encryption, commonly used in secure communications, remains safe, as practical quantum computers still lack the necessary capabilities to handle large key sizes effectively.
The future of AI and investment strategies.
AI is transforming investment by eliminating human anxiety, which allows for more stable decision-making during market fluctuations. Doug Clinton of Intelligent Alpha believes AI investing could capture trillions in assets by integrating unemotional intelligence into both passive and active investment strategies.
Dane Stuckey joins OpenAI to strengthen AI security leadership.
Dane Stuckey, the former Chief Information Security Officer at Palantir, has been appointed as the new CSO of OpenAI, collaborating with Matt Knight, the head of security. With plans to enhance AI security infrastructure, OpenAI is focusing on compliance and protection for users while pursuing closer ties with the U.S. Department of Defense and military projects.
The future of AI in law, neurosymbolic innovations.
OpenAI's O1 model shows promising advancements in AI by employing chain-of-thought prompting, enabling it to solve complex problems with higher accuracy, like achieving an 83% success rate on Math Olympiad problems. Google DeepMind's recently announced Alpha Geometry combines neural networks and symbolic reasoning, demonstrating the potential of neurosymbolic AI to efficiently address intricate tasks in law, such as contract analysis and legal precedent evaluation.
Understanding OpenAI's meta prompts for enhanced AI interactions.
OpenAI has revealed meta prompts that help users refine their input when interacting with generative AI, aiming to produce better, more targeted responses. These meta prompts include guidelines for understanding tasks, maintaining clarity, and effectively using examples, enhancing user experience in prompt engineering.
Waymo's advancements in autonomous technology.
Waymo continues to evolve its autonomous driving technology, showcasing a series of improvements in its robotaxi fleet. These developments are pushing the boundaries of AI in transportation, indicating a significant step forward in the industry.
Germany moves towards AI integration in education.
Germany has established new guidelines for incorporating artificial intelligence into the education system, focusing on ethical standards and educational infrastructure. A 2-year project called AIS, Adaptive Intelligence System, aims to explore the feasibility of developing a large language model specifically for the education sector.
New AI startup aims to transform customer success management.
Elias Torres has founded Agency, an AI startup that automates tasks for customer success managers, following his work with OpenAI to develop enterprise AI solutions. Agency's AI analyzes data from various customer interactions to anticipate needs, enabling customer success teams to operate more efficiently without expanding their workforce.
EU compliance tool highlights AI model shortcomings.
A new compliance checker developed by LatticeFlow has identified significant deficiencies in key areas like cybersecurity resilience and bias in AI models from major companies, revealing low scores for discriminatory outputs in models such as OpenAI's and Alibaba's offerings. The EU's AI Act, which will be enforced progressively over the next 2 years, poses potential fines of up to 7% of annual revenue for non-compliance, prompting companies to address these weaknesses proactively.
Fable expands accessibility solutions with new funding.
Fable is enhancing accessibility in AI by introducing support for cognitive and hearing disabilities after securing $25 million in funding, aiming for more inclusive training data and tools for developers. The startup intends to create resources for improving AI models, focusing on ensuring that the experiences of people with disabilities are represented adequately in datasets.